Good morning. It's me, Lottie, and today I am getting myself ready to jump into my work of the day, working from home, as many of us are doing at this time. I have a lot of video footage to edit and a lot of writing to do and reading to do and studying to do and tinctures to make and plants to process and just on and on and on. But anyway, I wanted to share my little self-care setup here. I have a nice herbal tincture here. This one has rose, apple, hawthorn. It is for lifting a heavy heart. Take a dropper full as needed. Let's do that. It tastes really good. The other thing I have here, chocolate. Sometimes you just need a break. Have some chocolate. I have a nice cuppa. I have espresso, chai, latte happening in my cup that I made myself with some Cafe Bustelo, instant espresso, a chai tea bag, and some oat milk. This saved me about $7,000 by not having to go to a coffee shop and getting it, right? I have a little lip balm here. Get myself moisturized. And I have a beautiful lavender lotion here. Just to, set the tone here for paper shuffling. Have to moisturize those cuticles, moisturize that nail base. And it's lavender scented to keep you calm and collected. And where did I get all these things? So I wanted to share that one aspect of self-love that I found over this past 6 months or so. I really got a lot of joy from putting together care packages for my friends and family and even, community members who were in need. And other herbalists were doing the same thing. And it just gave me so much joy to love on other people. So I'm just saying self-love can also happen as a byproduct of loving on your community. And I was the lucky recipient of some loving gestures. I made this recording about a month ago in preparation for some time and space that I was taking off from work, and I will share that with you now. Today I received a blessing, such a blessing. This is how community cares for community. This is an herbal resilience pack put together by healers helping other healers, for healers helping healers, and helping community during this crisis, this time that we're in. I'm so very thankful. I am so very thankful, and I am excited to get in here in this package. So I know it's some amazing things inside. What a blessing. Thank you for your important work, made with love and caring by Detroit area herbalists for Healing by Choice healers. so much gratitude. So much gratitude. Let's see what's inside. So I don't know how the light is going to be. Sitting on the back porch, it is about to rain. The sky is gray, but it still feels really nice out here. And so let's see. Aw, I love everything about this package. I love the people who made it. That's even more, right? So this is a surprise together. Lavender rose hand soap. Oh, and all this was handmade. Look at that. Lavender rose hand soap. I want to open it right now, but I'm not. I'm going to get through all this stuff. Lovely. Oops. What's this? Ooh. An herbal hand sanitizer. Tea tree, lavender, rose water, peroxide, and alcohol. Look at that. A lovely herbal hand sanitizer. I'll do that last. Oh, a mask. Lovely. A lovely face mask made of a gorgeous blueprint cloth. Lovely. Lovely. Thank you. Lavender foot soak. To take care. We have to practice self-care during these times, you know? You know I'm all about the self-care. All about the self-care. Yeah. What have we here? Heartfelt Blessings Elixir. Blessings for lifting a heavy heart. Take a dropper full as needed. Lovely. Rose, hawthorn, cinnamon, honey, cardamom. Oh, serenity. Yes, a lovely tea blend. Always welcome. And look, oh my goodness, I'm gonna cry. Oh my goodness, I wanted to grow poppies and I wanted more flowers. I am so happy. What a beautiful package this is. How thoughtful. I can feel the love. Feel so very blessed. Oh, another tea blend. Breath. Lovely. Beautiful tea blend. Ooh. Soap. Ooh, eucalyptus and spearmint. Oh, it smells amazing. This is so perfect. I'm gonna cry. I know I'm gonna cry. I was gonna cry anyway. But it's so perfect because today is the day that I start my break. I decided I needed a break. And today's the day I start my break after this work day today. And I have all these ways to take care of myself. With some Michigan raw honey for my tea. Look at how beautiful that is. The raindrops are just now starting to come down. And a lavender lotion. This is perfect. And the last thing was a nice peppermint lip balm that was in the bag. I almost didn't see this. I'm glad I peeked in the bag. So, not to be an afterthought, but I had to get the lip balm in there too. And then it included this, almost like a little zine page on resilience. It's like the rose that grew from concrete, to quote Tupac, with all these wonderful, inspirational people. See? Expert tips for resilience. Beautiful. Just amazing. I am so thankful. I can't begin to express my gratitude. I'm trying. Thank you so much. These are going to all go to such good use. And I'm inspired. I'm inspired. We have to take care of each other. We have to take care of each other. We always need it to, but it's even more critical at this time. We are who we've been waiting for. And we're all that we have. But you know what? I don't say that as if it's a shortcoming or a shortage, like we're all we have. I say it with the power that it reflects. We are who we have. And that is comforting. Thank you so much. I hope you're having a wonderful day. And I hope that you make some time and space for taking care of yourself. Sending so much love, healing, and positivity your way. All right. Peace. So, like I said, one aspect of self-love is sharing our loving vibrations, kindness, and thoughtful gestures with others. It is a formula for building up your own self-love. If there's someone that you want to share an appreciation for, or that may be down or experiencing challenges at this time, depression, sadness, grief, anger, fear, frustration, all the many feelings that we are all feeling, a very loving gesture to them would be to send a card or a note or a baked good, safely prepared, just a phone call, and it will boost your self-love too. At least that has been my experience. Everything around Self-Love September is, your personal formula for enhancing loving feelings for yourself, creating healthy habits and spaces for yourself, and you know what, most of all, defining it for yourself. So when I talk about self-love in Self-Love September, I know I am going through the lens of me. And that ain't for everybody. But I want to encourage you to just use these as jump off points, as a starting place to craft your own self-love regimen that you can maybe test run or try out in September, and maybe it'll last the entire year or for years to come. I hope you're having a wonderful day, taking care of yourself in all the ways that you need to. All right, peace.